All right, 2016 Honda Pilot. If you get people complaining about funky smells coming through the AC vents, particularly in the driver's side passenger seat, you might need to change your filter. And here's how we did it. First, open your glove box, take all your junk out and throw it on the floor, because there's certainly no need to go through all that. Then press in from both sides to disengage the glove box and carefully lower it. Same goes for the cabin filter. There are 2 tabs on either side. Push those in and then you can pull the cabin filter housing out. As you can see, our cabin filter is certainly gross and may even be mildewy. Now I'm just checking back there to see if there's any debris left behind, because I want to go ahead and get that out while I have my cabin housing out. You just pull out that filter and get your new filter, which we'll put a link to the one we purchased down below. We got it off of Amazon. Now once you get this out, make sure you locate the arrow for the airflow. You want that towards the airflow. That fan blows up from the bottom of the glove box and into that filter, so you want it pointed towards the bottom. And then you just simply insert the new filter into the housing with it oriented correctly. Now, same as the filter, the housing has an arrow indicating the direction of the airflow, which will be coming from underneath. Simply slide that back in, stamp it in place. Carefully raise your glove box, push the sides in, let it latch. Then pick up all your garbage from the floor and shove it back into your glove box. And you have now successfully changed your cabin air filter. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.